Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. I am opening up this Xbox controller because this thing doesn't move and this is cracked open. And you know why? It's because they erased in Call of Duty. That's fun. Okay, let's open it up. So what we're gonna want to do first is open this up right here. If I can. So I'm going to be using this flathead because nothing else fits in there. So yeah. Now we're going to use a flathead all in here. Looks like a lot of it is open right now. So yeah. So I'm going to need a smaller one. There we go, one side. Get a bit of the scratch there, that's okay. Well, there that goes. It should pop off like that. Lots of dirt. Okay, so this one, you could see inside that the board is bending right here. So that's why it's not doing it. So let me do that off camera real quick. Okay, so I got them both off. This one this side, this one that side. And I'll put the screw right here. Now you want to take off these screws. Wait, there's that screw. Right here, right there. Okay. And we got it open. You don't have to do these top ones right now. But I think we found our problem. And that's all I'm going to be doing. Oh, well, clearly not. So when you smashed your controller onto the ground, you broke this part, but not this part, which is supposed to go down here. And right here is broken. So yeah, it's just like that. I set it in place. I'm not gonna use hot glue on this one since there is like a risk of dropping up. I don't know. I'm not gonna hot glue it though. It's probably not gonna last. And if you drop it again, there's a chance it will fall like this part, and it will make a really annoying rattling sound in your controller. So now it's time to put in these 4 screws, but mine only has 3 because of that thing that was in there. And I sanded it down a little bit so that it fits in there. And now it's time to put it all back. It may be a little loose right here, but that's just how it's going to be. It's still playable. You can still use this. These are nice. Very nice. So, yeah. I also gave him a free backplate, I think it's called. Whatever it is. I did take it from one of my other controllers from here. But fully functional. I did cut out the part where I put hot glue in there. I know I said I wouldn't, but I did. And Look how good it is. I also tested it out, and so nice.